before today's video does get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn that bell notification on. Follow me on all social media. Links will be in the description box down below and sitting right here. So with all that being said, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, today is an unboxing, which I've never done before, and I'm really excited to do because I'm really excited to review these products. Before I tell you about the products, this is what my box looked like this time. There is an app that my friend told me about. It's called Influenster. I'll also have the link to their website down below. Now you just go onto your app store, download the app. It's been so long since I last did my profile that I don't exactly remember how like the steps are, but I do know that they are going to walk you through the whole entire process. I remember going in and setting up my profile and basically reviewing items that I've already used before. And the more items that you review, the more points you get, the more you're eligible to be into a box being sent to you, pretty much. And when a box is sent to you, it has a variety of different things in it that you try out, you review, and you go on back onto your app and you click that you got your box and you review your items. And the more things you do to review your items, the more points you get, the more boxes you pretty much get. That's pretty much, I think that's pretty much how it goes. The more points you have, the more boxes you'll get. This is my second box. I did get another box. I didn't have time to, I didn't have time to make a video reviewing it. I did review on my app. I didn't have time to do a video because I was in the process of moving, in the process of having Carter, and like I said in my previous video, I was just so like self-conscious about getting in front of the camera again. But I'm back with another video for an unboxing. So I obviously have already opened my box because I have to try out the products to get it. But this is what it looked like before I unboxed it and before I took all my products out and used them all. So you open your box and you get all different kinds of things. Like this time I got some nails, I got toothpaste, I got some hair primer, I got some shaving gel, pretty much. They come, oh, and I got moisturizer. They come and they give you a card, and the card, this box is called the Staycation Box. On the back it has all of the products you get. I know that is reversed and you guys can't really read it, but it gives you all of the products that you have and their price if you were to go to the store and get them, so you know about roughly how much you're going to spend if you want to go out and buy these. Not only does it just give you the pricing on it, it also gives you like a description of each product, and if like certain products are only available certain places, or if you can't find it where it's available. Like one thing is available at Ulta and Costco, and then another thing is available at Target. Most things you can find at your local, like CVS, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, Rite Aid, whatever drugstore is near you. I know different states have different drugstores, so pretty much whatever drugstore is near you, you usually can find the majority of these products that they do send you. Alright, so let's start reviewing, guys. I'm so excited for this. So the first one I'm going to review is the Impress On Manicure, which obviously they have different colors. This is the color that they gave me, which, as you can tell, I have on my fingers now. On the card it says, achieve a one-step gel manicure in minutes with Impress Press On Manicure, glue-free, chip-free, no dry time, just press on and go. So my review on these so far is, I was nervous putting them on. I know you guys see Carter's hand. He is laying here with me right now. My initial reaction to these was, me personally, when I was growing up, I never really liked stick-ons because I always thought they were easier to come off. With that being said, now that I have a baby, I was nervous. When I had first put them on yesterday, I was nervous changing his diaper that they were going to fall off. I was even nervous when I took a shower that when I was combing my fingers through my hair that they were going to pop off. But honestly, they're short, so I'm not scratching myself, nor am I scratching Carter, nor am I scared I'm going to scratch Carter. they're good. I don't know if this is just because it's day one. I don't know how long they last. On the box it says wear beyond 7 days is not recommended. So they last about a week, give or take, which I like because the pricing on these were only $8 if you go to the store. Like I said, all of these products are free when you get them. So I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 because I really like these and they're not too expensive and they're short, especially after just having a baby. They're short. The next product is the Crest Gum and Enamel and Tooth and Repair Toothpaste. Now I did just try this out. On the card it says healthier teeth start at the gum line. New Crest Gum and Enamel Repair help repair weakened enamel and reverse gingivitis. Available at Target. Like I said, some things you're not going to be able to find everywhere. But this, usually when I use toothpaste, like whitening toothpaste or something to repair something on my teeth type of toothpaste, it always has a nasty taste. The taste on this, I know this can sound weird, but it's not bad. It's like a normal minty, like it doesn't taste gross or anything. The pricing on this, if you're to go and buy it, is $6.99. And I don't know, I can't exactly tell you how it's going to work, but I have used this line before and I do like Crest. I like Crest a lot. So I'm probably going to give this right now a 4 out of 5 stars, only because I've only used it twice and so far it's so good. Maybe as the time goes on it gets better, maybe as the time goes on it doesn't get better, but it's something that I'm going to continue to try. And like I said, I do like Crest line products. The next item is the Completely Smooth Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel. It is $4.99 if you're to go buy it yourself. It says completely smooth not only gives you an incredible close shave, but also helps keep ingrown hairs and bumps at bay. Now I know you guys don't need to know when I shave my legs and everything, but it was just kind of ironic how it all, you know, came into play. And I actually really like this. The smell on it is really good. It's nothing gross. It's a very nice clean smell. When you use it, it goes on. And the thing about it is, usually when I have used shaving gel, sometimes if I don't have shaving gel, I honestly will use shampoo. So I'm kind of glad I have this. I like how it does keep my legs moisturized as well. I can, if I wanted to, if I was rushing and I had to shave my legs really quick, I could honestly run out of the house and not put lotion on my legs. And that's how soft my legs were after. So this right now does get a 5 out of 5 stars, guys. And when I use this up, I will be going out, finding some more, and buying it myself. The next item is this little spray bottle. I'm sorry about the glare. It is called the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. The pricing is $11.99. I also got this other thing in there. I'm going to have to go and see. It says get 2 full price products for $9.99, August 27, 2018 to September 21st. So I'm going to go into, it says it's available at Costco. So I'm going to go in and see if this is a coupon that I can use, because that stuff so far I really like. Now, let me tell you a little bit about it. It says simplify your styling routine with one miracle potion using Eve NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Infused with argan oil and sunflower seed oil to give your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. This multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. With 10 benefits in one spray, you'll save precious time and space. It says available at Ulta Beauty and Costco. Now, when using oils and stuff, I don't like oils because a lot of oils stink. This oil smells so good in my hair, and it leaves my hair, it does leave my hair soft, and I am able to run my fingers through it. It also says that, it says directions, shake bottle and lightly mist through damp hair prior to detangling or blow drying. like I said, I love oils in my hair, especially having curly hair, especially since I use hairspray and gel. I put a lot of alcohol in my hair, which isn't recommended, but it's something to give my hair that nutrients that it does need, to put the nutrients back in my hair. I am going to give this a 10 or 5 out of 5 stars, and I am going to be having a curly to straight video coming up, so, and I'm definitely going to be using this, especially since it says to use it after blow drying and you want to put something on your hair before you put any type of heat to your hair. So I will be trying this when I do my curly to straight. And the last item is this moisturizer. I did get another little thing like this filled with it, so that's why there's not two. That's why this one is not open, because I did use the other one. On here, it is called the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal. I don't know how to say. I want to say this is like jelly moisturizer. I probably just butchered that word, and I apologize. It is $12.99 if you were to go to the store and buy it yourself. And it says, this oil-free gel moisturizer transforms from gray to clear to provide ultra-light hydration and for blemish-prone skin. With fan-favorite ingredients, African black soap and bamboo charcoal, our refreshing formula drives invisibility while quenching your skin's thirst to moisturize and balance oily, blemish-prone skin. Personally, I like this line for a lot of things they have, like hair products and also their facial stuff that they have. But this particular moisturizer, I'm going to give a 3 out of 4 stars, just because it may just be something that just doesn't go with my skin personally. The reason I'm giving it a 3 out of 4 stars is because the smell is, it's not a horrible smell where it's like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get sick, I can't stand this smell, but it's not the best smelling stuff I've had. Now, all of the moisturizers I've used on my face, it's not the best smelling one. And also, after I put it on, usually I like my face to feel moisturized, but it feels like my face is like this, like, and it just doesn't leave my skin feeling soft. It's almost like it makes it feel like it's rubbery kind of. And other than that though, it is good. It does go on like a serum, like a gel kind of, which I do like serums for my skin personally, but that's how I feel about it. If you have blemish, like I said, it could be because I don't have blemish prone skin. So if you have blemish prone skin and you want to try this, I definitely recommend you going out and trying it. I definitely recommend you guys going out and trying all of these, especially this one. If you're looking for a new oil, I really like this one. That's probably by far my favorite one. But I think that's it for today's video. I did have a lot of fun doing an unboxing video. I can't wait to do more in the future, whether it's me doing a Fashion Nova haul or going to the mall haul or even shopping for Carter and unboxing what I got for Carter, whatever it happens to be. I really enjoyed doing that. I really enjoyed doing that. I can't wait to do more, even with Influenster. I love this company. I love the products that they send. Definitely, I recommend going to download the app and following all the prompts below. I will have the website down below. It does tell you to download the app because having the app makes it a whole lot easier, but if you just want something quick so you don't have to go searching on the app store, I will definitely have a link down below, as well as my social media. So make sure to go follow me and definitely share this video, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye guys.